In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the head on this Wild Badger 40V string trimmer. To remove the head of the string trimmer, you need to locate this hole on this base plate here. And what you're going to do is turn this around until the holes on the inside line up. So you can see through here, not lining up, line up. Take an Allen key or a screwdriver, slot it through this hole, all the way through the metal plate on the inside, and then you can turn this head now to remove it. So we'll turn it clockwise because this is a left-hand threaded head. That's how to remove the head of the string trimmer. Now the standard head that comes on your Wild Badger string trimmer, this thing sucks and I highly recommend you replace it. And what you should replace it with is something like this. This is the Hipa Speed feed. When you get this, it comes with different universal attachments, so you will need to replace this centerpiece here so that it will fit onto the Wild Badger string trimmer, but this thing is so much better than the standard one on this string trimmer. Replacing the Wild Badger string trimmer with this Hipa Speed feed is going to allow you to easily rewind the string trimmer head without having to remove it all the time, because this has a quick load feature where you can just thread the string line through and then replace it. So we need to knock this little thing out here. So we're going to pull this guy out. Make sure this fits my Wild Badger string trimmer. Slot it in. Then we can put this back together. What we'll need to do is get our Allen key and find this hole, and this is a hole I was talking about before. You want to line this up all the way through, put our back plate onto the string trimmer head, and now we can thread this on. Turn it on until it's tight. Now we've got our Hipa Speed feed onto our Wild Badger. It's so much better for rewinding string line. All you need to do is thread it through and then hold it still, and then you can rewind the string line in without dismantling it. If you've got the Wild Badger head on here, you have to take this apart and rewind the spool manually, which just sucks. And that's how to remove and replace the head on a Wild Badger 40V string trimmer.